Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use keyframes for zoom effects in Capcut. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first you need to install your Capcut and then tap on create new project right here and add your video. So first let's try for picture or image. Now you have to tap on new project and then import the image or picture from your gallery. To start, you have to click your picture and then tap the clip on the timeline. Tap keyframe icon near the bottom. This marks the starting point of the effect. Move the playhead forward to where the zoom should end. Now pinch to zoom in or out on the picture preview. CapCut will automatically add a second, third, fourth keyframe. And as you can see, I'm going to zoom it again. Now the keyframe is added automatically. Zoom again. Keyframe is added automatically and zoom again. So if you want to see the result, you just have to simply go back. And this is what it looks like once you have added keyframes to this picture. So as you can see, we are now adding the zoom effect using the keyframe. Now let's do this to a video type. I'm going to tap new project, add the video from my gallery, and it's the same thing. Tap the video, and then here you have to locate the starting point. Okay, for example, the first, tap on the keyframe icon, move the playhead, zoom. The keyframe will be automatically added here and then move again and then zoom. So you have to do it for the rest of the videos. For example, if you really want to add the zoom effect. And as a result, this is what it looks like once you've added keyframes to this video. So this is how to use keyframes for zoom effects in CapCut. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.